Hello everybody, this is Montgomery and I want to show you something. Look at this. That's hydraulic fluid. The latch valve is leaking. And the door is stained with the oil again. The first time it leaked, it was a sweep valve. Now, the wing on the latch valve needs to be replaced. So, let's see if I can show you what it's doing. Probably won't be able to see it well because the sweep is fast. But, no, I'll show you what it's doing. Yeah, it's slamming really hard. So to help demonstrate that better, we're gonna take the sweep speed actually and turn it in a full turn with our friend. Now, we're gonna open the door and see at the door, and see, sweep speed's working real great, and the latch is hard. Almost as hard as CM Jordan's Britain. So I gotta replace the wing on my latch valve. So I may have to put some more wood glue up when I'm done. But we'll show it one more time. You know what? Just for your pleasure, one more time, and then that'll be it. And I guess that'll be it.